Today, we're making Emma's Focaccia. This recipe is so bubbly, fluffy, and good. If you haven't seen it before, then you'll want to make sure you give it a try. Focaccia like this is so good in sandwiches or just by itself. That's how good this is. So, let's get cooking. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 cups of warm water, 7 grams of active dry yeast, whisk, and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add 4 cups of bread flour. Use a spatula to mix it all together. It'll gradually turn into a smooth, sticky dough. Cover and rest for 20 minutes. We'll wet our hands, and then stretch and fold the dough 4 times. Cover and rest for another 20 minutes. Stretch again 4 times. Then let the dough rest in the refrigerator overnight. The next day, bring the dough to room temperature and prep our pans. Add some olive oil and coat. Add half the dough to each pan. Add more olive oil and pat. We'll toss our rosemary and olive oil as well. After about 20 minutes, we'll squeeze and dimple our focaccia. Then we'll add our olive oil covered rosemary. Preheat an oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake the focaccia for about 22 minutes, or until you get a nice crust on top. For me, this was actually about 28 minutes. And boom, you have Emma's amazing focaccia. It's so bubbly, fluffy, and fantastic to just snack on. Whether you want to level up your sandwiches or just looking for a yummy snack, Emma's Focaccia really hits a spot. If you enjoyed, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.